How to log out of Google Photos on phone. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can log out of Google Photos on your mobile device. How can you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your account. Log in into your Google Photos application. And then once you're logged in, by the top right corner of the screen, you will see your profile icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, a menu will be displayed. Ensure you select the one displaying your Google account. And your Google, beside your Google account, you see an arrow dropping down. Click on it, and then once you click on it, a box will be displayed showing you all of the email addresses that you have on your mobile device. So just scroll up until you see manage accounts on this device. All right, then click on it. Once you click on manage account on this device, you will take it on that page locating your account. Then select the one that you use to open your Google Photos at the moment. Once you select it, you will take it on that page. Now on this page, you will see Google account, account sync, and then remove account. Okay, remove account. You just click on remove account. Once you click on remove account, you'll be asked if you're sure that you want to remove account. Click on remove account, and then once you click on that, you'll be logged out automatically of um Google Photos on this particular account. So this is how you can log out of Google Photos on phone. Thanks for watching.